Sari stars, how are things going on in your sari world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram I have for you a beautiful collection of hand-woven Kanjivaram silk saris. These saris are just perfect for this wedding season, so let's get started with the saris. We begin with a gorgeous Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari in a very auspicious combination of Mambara Manjal with Arakku. The body of this gorgeous Kanjivaram is in the lovely shade of Mambara Manjal, and there are Mail Chakram buttas in zari all over the body of the sari. The borders are Korvai borders, and there are Arai Madam and temple motifs in zari on the border. The pallu of the sari is absolutely exquisite. It's in maroon and it has intricate zari motifs of Pakshis, Banaras and Arai Madam. The sari has a maroon blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. This combination of Mambara Manjal and maroon is a very fantastic, fabulous combination and it's perfect for bridal choices. We have for you a very unusual Kanjivaram silk sari with a combination of checks and stripes. This is a very unusual Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari is in a lovely shade of ice blue and there are blue pinstripes all over the length of the sari. The borders have cuttons or checks and the checks are in a combination of short purple and blue and there are Mail Chakram motifs in zari on the borders. The pallu of the sari is blue and it has yana or elephants and chakram motifs in zari. The sari has a blue blouse fabric with the same borders as the sari. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or you can pair it with a blue blouse or magenta blouse and you can accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewelry for a festive look. If you love thread work and no zari Kanjivaram silk saris, then this sari is just perfect for you. The body of the sari is in an elegant, subtle olive green and there are rangoli or kolam kind of motifs in thread on the body. The borders have two rows of Rudraksha motifs in thread. The pallu of the sari has Rudraksha motifs and diamonds in thread. The sari has a lovely short olive green blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or you can pair it with a beautiful Arakku blouse. You can accessorize this sari with beaded jewelry. This is a Kanjivaram silk sari with cuttams and the colors are two beautiful shades of pink. The body of the sari is a beautiful pastel pink and there are cuttons or checks all over the body. The borders are in a beautiful deeper shade of pink with two stripes of zari, a narrow stripe here and a broader stripe here. The pallu of the sari is in deep pink and it has sipareke in zari. The The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same deep pink as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse, or you can pair it in the green blouse in the color of the selvage of the sari. You can accessorize this sari with a green kemp etiquette. An absolutely stunning sari. This is a gorgeous Kanjivaram in shades of purple. The body of this gorgeous sari has vanki motifs and these run along the width of the sari. The sari has a dual tone effect. You can see the dhoop chow or double color effect here. It's a beautiful, gorgeous sari. The borders have zari stripes. The gorgeous short purple pallu of the sari has Banaras motifs in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same short purple as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. A lovely traditional gold necklace will look absolutely fabulous with this sari. Yellow and green makes for a gorgeous combination. We have this beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari for you in this combination. This is a festive Kanjivaram silk sari. The body is in a lovely shade of yellow and there are green cuttums or checks on the body. The borders are in a beautiful light green and it has quill and motifs in zari. The gorgeous green pallu of the sari has seepareka in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same beautiful green as the pallu and the borders. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a nice adding. This is a delightful multicolor pai kattam sari and you're sure to love this sari. This is a pai madi or textured weave and the body of the sari has multicolored cuttums. The sari doesn't have borders, there is a short pink selvage and a zari stripe along the selvages. The deep pink pallu of the sari has zari stripes. The sari has a deep pink blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a nice ruby etiquette. A breathtaking Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a lovely shade of short green. This is a gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari in a beautiful shade of short sea green. You can see the dual tone or dhoop chow effect. The sari doesn't have borders but there is a zari stripe along the edges. The pallu of the sari is in a gorgeous shade of red and it has zari cuttums and this checked pallu gives a beautiful effect to the sari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same red as the pallu and it has zari katam similar to the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a lovely coral necklace. We have beautiful Kanjivaram silk saris perfect for every special occasion. To shop for our collection of exquisite Kanjivarams, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.